We introduce Mr.SHOT Vikram Pro Winner models. Durable polycarbonate construction, made of non-flammable, unbreakable polycarbonate engineering plastic for enhanced durability and safety. Neon indicators. Built-in green and red neon indicators provide clear visual confirmation of operational status. Contamination prevention. The polycarbonate material has a melting point of 320 degrees Celsius, while the heater's cutoff temperature is capped at 80 to 85 degrees Celsius, ensuring water remains uncontaminated. Dual automatic thermostats. Equipped with 2 thermostats, each 5 inches long, ensuring precise and accurate cutoff and automatic restart. Continuous hot water supply. Delivers hot water at 40 to 45 degrees Celsius consistently, with a flow rate of 4 liters per minute, approximately 220 liters per hour. High-performance heating element, features a 4.5-inch, 3.2 kilowatts heavy-duty heating element for enhanced heating, ideal for winter. Convenient cable length, fitted with a 2.5 square-arm cable, 1.6 meters, 5.25 feet, long for easy installation. Flexible inlet and outlet hoses, comes with 2 1.5 meter, 5.25 feet, PVC hoses for convenient setup. Complete installation kit, includes 3 1/2-inch adapters, 1 Royal Union and 2 wall nails for seamless installation. Integrated safety features, 16 amps on and off switch and a 16 amps MCB for reliable operation and safety. Mr.SHOT Instant Running Water Heater.